Hey everyone, welcome to the Discovery Ward inside of the West Clinic. This is our medical research project where we invite people to become researchers in their own health. So we've put together some specific parameters to help understand our workup and evaluation with patients. And when we go to diagnose a patient, number one, medical history and what the patient tells us, the most important thing. Number two, looking at viewpoints from blood tests, hormone tests, food sensitivity tests, environmental tests, toxicity tests, heavy metal tests, and then our research projects that people can participate in is literally what we can find here. And this is what's so fascinating. And I want to show you some examples. We've seen such stark presentations and examples. I've had other doctors think that we're doing Photoshop or artificial intelligence. And I just wanted to walk you through what you can see from the different phases of infection. And one of the reasons why we do this research project and invite people to participate is when you see what's in the blood, what blood should look like, and then you see some blood that isn't very healthy and that there can be some microorganisms and there can be some infection indicators. It really helps to encourage people to put their body on a schedule, to eat better, to sleep better, to have healthy and alive food. So I'm going to show you an examples of some things that we've seen inside of the clinic.